Hello, dear friends. Today we have our next trip on SUP boards along the Jhelum Canal. This time it will start from the bay in Neporent. Yachts, motorboats, and jet skis also begin their journeys from this bay. Pay attention to the number of moored floating craft. Having moved a little away from our starting point, we swam into the channel itself. Here we met the inhabitants of these places. These were two swans who were looking for something to feed themselves. Noticing that our dog was interested in these beautiful birds, we decided to swim a little closer so that she could take a closer look at them. To our surprise, the swans were not at all scared. They continued to search for food. We managed to watch them for a while. And we also managed to be in harmony with nature, listening to the sound of the wind, the singing of birds, and the splashes of waves hitting the SUP board. This trip gave us a huge boost of positive energy. The energy we receive from nature plays an important role in maintaining harmony and balance. Spending time in nature helps clear the mind, and natural sounds and views can serve as a backdrop to deepen inner peace.